The move fast and break things era of AI is over. The move fast with guardrails era has begun. France and Japan just teamed up with 8 other countries on something that could completely reshape the AI industry. And if you're building AI tools, investing in tech, or just wondering why your favorite AI apps keep changing, you need to understand what is happening right now. Because this isn't just about safety. This is about a multi-billion-dollar opportunity that most people are completely missing. Let's break it down. In November 2024, something unprecedented happened. The United States launched the International Network of AI Safety Institutes. 10 countries signed on immediately. The US, France, Japan, Australia, Canada, the European Union, Kenya, South Korea, Singapore, and the UK. Now, governments form alliances all the time. But here's what makes this different. These aren't trade agreements or military partnerships. These countries are coordinating on 4 specific things. First is AI safety research. Second, how to test AI models before they go public. Third, creating common standards for interpreting those tests. And fourth, making sure smaller countries don't get left behind. And they are doing this because, frankly, they are terrified they have lost control. So why now? Why are governments suddenly scrambling? 3 reasons. Generative AI made it easier, faster, and cheaper than ever to create content at massive scale. We are talking text, images, video, voice, all of it synthetic. And governments realized something scary. Their laws were written for a world that doesn't exist anymore. This is not theoretical anymore. We have seen AI-generated deepfakes interfering with elections. Automated hiring systems discriminating against qualified candidates, AI chatbots giving dangerous medical advice, and deepfake scams stealing millions from companies. So there is real harm, real people, and real money involved. Nobody wants to be the country that fell behind on AI, but nobody wants to be the country where AI caused a catastrophe either. So you have got this weird tension. Everyone wants to innovate, but everyone is also scared. Japan emphasized this balance explicitly. They want innovation and regulation. That is why this France-Japan collaboration matters. These are 2 major economies saying we can do both. Now here is where things get messy for businesses. Because while governments are collaborating internationally, they are also creating a regulatory patchwork that is an absolute nightmare to navigate. Check this out. During 2025, all 50 US states introduced AI legislation. All 50 of them. About 100 measures got adopted across 38 states. Colorado became the first state with comprehensive AI laws in May 2024. Now companies have to figure out, do these rules apply to us? What about the other 37 states? And it gets worse. Healthcare has its own AI rules now. Most states prohibit AI from independently diagnosing patients or making treatment decisions. Finance has different rules, hiring has different rules. Meanwhile, in Europe, the EU AI Act went into force in August 2024. It categorizes AI into 4 risk levels. High-risk AI systems now need risk assessments, quality datasets, detailed documentation, and human oversight. And here's the kicker. All this implementation stretches through 2030. So the rules are still evolving. Critics are calling this a compliance nightmare. Small and medium businesses are getting crushed by the cost of figuring this all out. But here's the plot twist. This regulatory chaos, it is creating one of the biggest business opportunities of the decade. The global AI compliance market is projected to hit $1.3 billion by 2034. That is up from $188 million in 2024. The legal AI software market was $1.5 billion in 2023. Now it is projected to reach $19.3 billion by 2033. And get this, 60% of compliance officers plan to invest in AI-powered compliance tools by 2025. That is this year. So what are the hot opportunities right now? Number 1 is compliance automation platforms. Tools like Vanta, Drata, and Sprinto are automating evidence collection, risk assessments, and audit prep. Companies are reporting they are saving 50 to 80 hours per month. Number 2 is AI governance solutions. Organizations need frameworks to prevent bias, ensure transparency, and prove accountability. Someone's got to build those tools. Number 3 is industry-specific compliance. Healthcare AI needs different compliance than retail AI. Financial AI has different rules than HR AI. Specialists who understand both the tech and the regulation will dominate their niche. Number 4 is predictive compliance. The real smart companies are building tools that don't just help you comply with today's rules, they predict what is coming next and prepare you for it. And number 5 is cross-border compliance management. The US rules are different from EU rules, which are different from China's rules, and which are different from Japan's rules. Tools that help companies navigate through this maze, they are going to print money. And here is what you need to understand. If you are building AI tools right now, compliance is not a burden. It is your competitive advantage. Your competitors who ignore this, they will get stuck in legal limbo while you are signing contracts. The France-Japan collaboration isn't happening in isolation. This is a part of a global movement. The network has aligned on pursuing AI safety research, developing testing best practices, facilitating common approaches, and ensuring global inclusion. The move fast and break things era of AI is over. The move fast with guardrails era has begun. So that is what is really going on with AI safety regulations right now. It is not just bureaucracy. It is a fundamental shift in how AI will be built and deployed. If you found this video useful, hit that like button. Drop a comment if you are building AI tools. And let me know how are you thinking about compliance. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.